Good morning, boys and girls. Today for writing, we're going to keep practicing stretching out our stories and adding more sentences. So we're going to practice writing 2 sentences today. We're going to start by writing the date at the top so that way we know when we wrote it. So the date today is 4-6-2-0-2-1, and we read this April 6th, 2021, right? So today we're going to talk about in the rain. Because it rained yesterday, maybe you went outside and enjoyed the rain. Maybe playing outside in the rain is not your thing, and you stayed inside where it was warm and dry, and that is okay too. So some of the things that maybe you like to do in the rain is to use an umbrella. Maybe you like to use an umbrella. Maybe you like to play in puddles. Maybe you like to splash. Maybe you like to find worms. Worms like to come out in the spring rain. Maybe you like to snuggle. I like to snuggle during the rain. I don't know how to draw a picture of a blanket. I'll draw a pillow. I don't know. Okay, so maybe these are some things that you like to do when it rains. There are some more things. There are things you can add to this list too. But what we're going to start with is in the rain, I like to. Or when it rains. When it rains makes more sense. So we're starting with a capital letter. When it rains, I like to. Okay, when it rains, I like to. This is a long sentence starter, so if you have to pause the video to finish getting the sentence starter on your page, absolutely, that is fine. Okay, practice and take your time. Now, after you get your sentence starter down, you could maybe use some of these words to finish your sentence. When it rains, I like to splash in puddles. In is a sight word. Here's splash, here's puddles. When it rains, I like to dig up worms. When it rains, I like to snuggle Willow. When it rains, you can do something that's not on this list too. Absolutely. And remember the strategy that we learned when we were sounding out a word that we didn't know how to spell. We sounded the sounds out. So let's say I wanted to do dig. Okay? D-I-G. Okay, dig has 3 sounds. What's the first sound that I hear when I say dig? D-D-dig. D. D-I-I. Dig. G. Dig. Okay? Maybe I wanted to write the word, I can't think of any. In. In is a sight word, but we could do in. In. 2 sounds. In. I-N. And you can do that in your sentence too. You can do these lines in your sentence too. Okay? So you go ahead, you do when it rains, I like to. I like to what? But then I want you to tell me why. And your why can simply be it is fun. You can choose to do an exclamation point or a period. Don't do both though. Pick one. Don't do both. It is fun. Or, that's fine. When it rains, I like to do what? It is fun. Choose an ending mark. Okay? I can't wait to see what you guys have written.